Good morning, my dear students. How are you all doing? My name is Snigdha, and I'm going to teach you something about writing a story today. So, what is a story? Tell me, what is a story? Peter, can you tell me what is a story? Yes, it is a fictional piece of account. Yes, it could also be a true piece of account. Okay. Yes, it is a piece of fiction. It is a piece of our mind's imagination, our mind's creativity or something. Yes. So how many of you love to write? Let it be story, let it be poems, let it be dramas or something. A script for a play or something. Okay, I can see that there are many writers in this classroom. So today I am going to teach you something about how to write a story. Are you all ready to write an interesting story? Yes, so tell me, when you read a story, when do you consider a story to be an interesting one? What makes a story more interesting? Can someone tell me? Who's going to tell me that? Yes, Sam, you can tell me. Yes, it has to be engaging. It shouldn't be boring. If it is a boring story, do you think you are going to read the whole story? No, you are not. It has to be engaging. It has to be interesting. And what are the other elements? If it is interesting, you will read any story? No, you will not. What are the other elements that are going to make the story more interesting? Yes, the characters in the story. Yes, so that is the point of our today's class. Okay, yes, so we are going to discuss something about the main elements of a story. So any story will have a few elements in common, right? Let it be a horror story, let it be a fantasy, let it be a fiction, fable or anything. Each one of these will have something in common. Yes, so today I am going to ask you about such common elements that you can see in almost every story. What are they? Can someone tell me? Yes, very good, Sam. Yes, the first one is a character. Each and every story should have a character. We can also write stories without characters, but as of now, you can think about writing a story with a character. So, who is a character? Yes, the people in the story. Yes, it needn't always be the people. Even a bag could be a character in the story, right? Yes, very good. People, things, animals, or anyone in the story. Yes, so they are the characters. And what comes after the character? Yes, who is going to tell me? Yes, very good. The place where the story is set. A story should also have a place where the story actually happens, where all the events happen. And what do you call this place? Yes, there is a word for that. Yes, very good. The setting is the place where the story happens, where all the events of the story happen. A story could have one setting, two settings, more than two settings or anything. Okay. So our character is done, setting is done. Is that all? Is our story complete now? No, it is not. So what are the other elements that a story should have? Yes, a story should also have a problem. Yes, a problem is what makes the story more interesting. Yes, so you must have read the story about the hare and the tortoise, right? So what is the problem in the story? Yes, them keeping a race and tortoise wanting to win the race in spite of being a slow runner, right? Yes, okay, very good. Yes, and he is finally able to win the race. Right, very good. Yes, so in each and every story, there will be a problem, and also the character is likely to find the solution to the problem as well. So these are the main elements. What are the main elements? Character, yes. Setting, yes. And finally, a problem, and also a solution to the problem, maybe. You can also end the story without finding a solution to the problem as well. It's up to you. It's something that you call as a poetic freedom. It is up to you to decide whether your character should find a solution to the problem or your character should just leave it as such. Okay? Yes. So now are you ready to write the story? Yes. So when you start writing the story, take out a pen and a book. Yes. So when you start writing a story, what is the first thing that you are going to write? Are you going to start right away with the story? Yes? No. Yes. So we have to introduce our character, we have to introduce our problem, we have to introduce our setting and something. So that is what you do in the beginning of the story, the first part of the story, right? Yes, very good. And after beginning comes the middle, and middle is where all the events in the story will unfold. So your problem as well will intensify in this middle. And what about the solution? What do we write in the solution? Who is going to tell me? Okay, Leah, you can tell me what happens in the ending of the story. Yes, so you find the solution to your problem. Very good. Yes. So all of you now, since the procedure for story writing is clear to you, you are going to write the story on your workbook. Okay, your story should have a character. You can think about any character that you want. It could be a person, it could be a person from your life, it could be an animal, it could be a bluebird, it could be a crow, it could be a princess or anything. Okay, and you should also think about a setting, the place where the story happens, and also a problem. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.